Additive manufacturing of metal components has developed rapidly over the last 10 years, achieving highly innovative areas of application. For much of this time, the technological focus has been on the printing process itself. Automated handling of the metal powder in the immediate vicinity of the printer was too often neglected. However, the industrial production of the future demands more. It requires highly automated and cost-efficient manufacturing. In additive manufacturing, proper powder handling is as important as the 3D printing process itself. Inappropriate handling leads to a deterioration in the powder properties. For example, increased moisture in the powder results in significantly deteriorated flow properties, negatively influencing the workpiece quality. Similarly, after a printing process, the unused metal powder must be completely recycled and made available for subsequent printing jobs. The expensive powder is thereby optimally utilized and a sustainable economical production is achieved. VOLKMANN has tackled these challenges. We have established ourselves in additive manufacturing as a leading supplier of equipment and systems for handling and conveying metal powders. Leading manufacturers of 3D printers depend on VOLKMANN. The reliability of our systems make them an integral part of additive manufacturing, even for aluminum, copper, or titanium. The safe conveying of metal powder by means of vacuum is one of our central technologies utilized when supplying various processes in 3D printing. For example, a vacuum conveyor can be used in the automated filling of the 3D printer. For the printing process, this means increased process reliability as the material supply is always ensured. Significant advantages such as reduced process times and increased productivity result from the direct extraction of powders after 3D printing. The PowTrex system is used for the reprocessing of the powders. Agglomerates and foreign bodies are removed by a highly efficient ultrasonic sieve. The small footprint allows easy integration into the manufacturing process. Due to the very high reliability, many companies from the aerospace, automotive, and medical technology industries rely on the PowTrex. Economical series production in 3D printing can only be achieved with a high degree of automation. This applies in particular to all process in pre- and post-processing. The globally unique depowdering station cleans the entire build frame fully automatically. The build job is completely depowdered, and the unused metal powder is recovered for reuse. We are passionate about technology. VOLKMANN is looking for technical challenges in order to develop optimal solutions. This motivation has led to the development of numerous products for additive manufacturing. The Modern Technical Center offers our engineers and technicians the ideal conditions to develop customized solutions for our customers. We are involved in innovative development. This was and is the case with the IDAM research project, a milestone of automation in additive manufacturing. The two production lines at BMW and GKN are examples of a previously unknown degree of automation with parallel cost savings. The VOLKMANN engineers have also shown new ways of depowdering and powder preparation in these projects. The future of additive manufacturing will pose many technical challenges. We develop the solutions. VOLKMANN, ideas ahead.